Welcome to MTG. In this video, we'll show you how to buy MTG books from our website. First, go to www.mtg.in. On the homepage, click on the human icon to go to My Account. If you already have an account, simply log in. If you forgot your password, click on Forgot Password and choose Login with OTP. New users can register by clicking Register. Enter your country and phone number here. You'll receive an OTP which you'll need to enter here. Next, provide your email, create a password, select your class and tick the consent boxes. Finally, click Register. After registering, click on Addresses and enter your address details. Make sure to fill in all the fields marked with a red star. Here, fill in your school or you may skip it. Once done, click Save Address. Now, return to the home page. You can browse books by exam or classes. Select a category, choose the class, then click on your desired book and add it to the cart. Another way is to go to the search bar, type the book name, class or subject, then click Search. Find your book on results page and add it to the cart. Go to the View cart. Review your products, apply a coupon, you may skip it if you don't have one, and then click Proceed to checkout. Verify your billing details here. If your delivery address is different, select Ship to a different address and fill it in. Otherwise, proceed. Choose your preferred payment method and click Proceed to pay. After the payment is successful, you'll see an order confirmation page. You'll also receive an SMS and an email confirmation of your order. And that's it. You have successfully ordered your books on www.mtg.in. For any queries, contact us at info@mtg.in or call us at 0124 6601 200. Thank you for choosing MTG.